Do you ever notice how your stop loss gets hit and still goes back to the same direction that you wanted it to go? Well, it's not just an accident, it's the game ICT exposed. My name is Miracle. I'm the CEO of the 10% Trader, and this is episode 1 of ICT Simplified, where I am going to explain ICT in a plain English. First of all, what is ICT? ICT is founded by Michael Hudenstein, which is an acronym of Inner Circle Traders, where he teaches people how the institutions work, how they hunt stop losses, how they deliver orders, how the market cycle moves, the market models and stuff like that. People went ahead to create SMC, which is smart money traders or smart money concepts. So I am going to tell you the differences between retail concept and ICT concept. Retail concept are those traders that use support and resistance, using indicators, trading patterns, while ICT or smart money, for the sake of confusion, I'm going to be using ICT. Why ICT uses real market data, price action, understanding both the fundamentals and the technical analysis of forex trading. ICT focus more on liquidity and how the market moves, the order flows and manipulations and stuff like that, right? Just like this, we have liquidities here. We have multiple lows. It means these are profitable buyers. When I say profitable buyers, means there were positions resting below this low here. That means people bought at this particular point up to this side. People also bought at this particular point up to this side. People bought from here. People bought from here. So that means we have liquidities resting below all these lows. That means people were holding their stop losses below those lows. So what happened? Price came down, manipulated everybody. This is a stop hunt. Now imagine you were supposed to buy and you wanted to buy up to this point. But what happened? Price came down, took your stop loss and later went back to the same direction. Same goes with this. Let's say you were buying here, price came down, took you out, but started going back to the same direction that you wanted the price to go. So now the reason why smart money or ICT wins is because the market is designed to grab liquidity, whether you like it or not. That's how the market moves. Market moves in a certain algorithm. They want to create inducement, they want to create liquidity, they want to create force moves in the market for you to for them to trap you in and then take your money and then go back to the direction that you want them to go. What ICT teaches us is to think like an institution trader. What I mean is you identify the liquidity first, then you wait for a displacement. All this I'm going to teach you. Like I said, this is an episode 1, so we have more videos to come. So I want you guys to subscribe, you like, you share to others that want to learn ICT, because you don't want to waste 2 hours watching Michael's video. He teaches in a very slow pattern that he uses 2 hours for a simple video. This is where I come in. I'm going to teach you how to trade like an ICT trader without wasting your 2 hours watching his videos. All these things we have more videos to come where I will be teaching liquidity, how to identify liquidity, what are liquidity, what is a displacement candle, what is fair value gap, what is order block, how to identify order block, how to wait for a confirmation. So this is what I'm going to promise you, and I hope you stick around to watch more videos to come. So like I was saying, had a roadmap already you can see on my chart, where I will be teaching market structure and order flow, liquidity, fair value gap, order blocks, key zones, and more other topics to come. You can see on my charts where I have a market module. Yeah, this is a buy module on our upcoming videos I'm going to talk about. This is a separate topic generally. So I have so many stuffs to give you guys. I just hope you guys will stick around. This is a journey that I'm starting, right? So I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, because this is just an introduction to ICT. What is ICT? How was ICT formed? Why was ICT formed? Episode 2 on market structure is coming next. Subscribe so you don't get to miss it. See you on my next video.